everyone, thank you for the opportunity that you are given to me. Introduce, my name is VHERESYA Mairuhu with student number 10122222007. And this time I will present a material about Geologist versus AI. This morning we have a 4-point that I will present. The first point is what is AI? The second point is what is Geologist? The third point is Geologist versus AI. And the last point is the conclusion. Okay, we move to the first point is what is AI? According to Kusuma Dewi, artificial intelligence is a part of computer science that make machine or computers able to work like as well as done by human. According to Affenbach and Edward E. Feigenbaum at 1982, artificial intelligence is also part of computer science, which study in the sense of designing intelligent computer system, namely systems that have the characteristic of thinking like human. According to Affenbach and Edward E. Feigenbaum at 1982, artificial intelligence is study of how to make computers do things that humans can currently do better. We move to the second point is what is geologist? Geologist is a person who is responsible for the process of finding minerals and applying knowledge about subsurface structure and earth condition. A geologist is someone who studies the materials that make up the earth, the history of the earth, and the processes that have formed. A geologist is someone who is able to apply physics, chemists, geologists in doing work. We move to the third point is the geologist versus AI. The first point is knowledge and expertise. As a geologist, the ability to understand concepts about the structure of the earth, geological process, and the interpretation of geological data is the basic thing that become a basic knowledge for a geologist. A geologist has an ability to identify rock formation, study fossil, and is able to analyze the seismic data on an area as well. A geologist has ability to understand Earth history. Meanwhile, artificial intelligence or AI can access and process geological data, research paper, and report from the field, but AI does not have the conceptual understanding and experience of a geologist. The second point is data analysis and pattern recognition. A geologist can interpret the analysis geology data. A geologist can identify patterns, relate data set, and make interpretation based on the geological concept and skills. Meanwhile, AI can identify patterns that may be difficult for a geologist to interpret. With AI's algorithm, it can more easily analyze geological data and identify correlation, which can simplify and shorten research time. However, again, a geologist is needed to understand the conceptual interpretation of the data. The third point is field work and observation. A geologist is definitely working in the field. Working in the field will involve direct observation of geological objects such as rock formation, geological structure, and in taking sample for analysis. Meanwhile, AI doesn't work in observation, but AI can help when processing data in the laboratory. And the last point is returns and problem solving. A geologist must have critical thinking skill in the ability to integrate multiple sources of data, observation, and knowledge to make decisions based on data and information. Decision-making and problem-solving have an important role. Wrong decision-making can have a negative impact, so decision-making and problem-solving must consider the geological context and potential risks. Meanwhile, AI can help decision-making and problem-solving through the result of data analysis, simulation, and predictive models. So, the conclusion of this presentation is geologists still play a crucial role in providing information from geological objects and interpreting the result. Artificial intelligence or AI can act as a helper in making the work of geological easier with technological capability developed in artificial intelligence or AI. The capability will make AI more effective. So, AI cannot replace the role of geologists, but AI can facilitate and complement each other. That's all from me, guys. Thank you for your attention.